We have the mural that tells the story of Tepeyac, from our founding up until present day. So if someone told me 30 years ago when we were just having the idea about opening up this clinic that was going to serve just this neighborhood, to think that we were going to one day grow to this 24,500 square feet facility that offered this incredible spectrum of services, for me it wasn't even within the realm of possibility. Now that we're here, it's very exciting. My name is Jim Garcia. I am the Chief Executive Officer for Tepeyac Community Health Center. Tepeyac Community Health Center is a community health center that provides a full spectrum of medical, behavioral health, and dental services. We started in 1994. It was at the little house at the corner of 36 and Calumet. When it comes to the Latino community, that Our Lady of Guadalupe was the hub of activism. It was my first parish council meeting. The pastor walked in. He said, there's many pressing needs in this community, but probably the most pressing need that we have is access to health care. The church owns this little 750 square foot bungalow across the street that was literally falling down. And he said, wouldn't it be great if we could convert that into a clinic? And we don't have any money to hire a contractor, so if this is going to happen, it's going to have to be because of all of you. Our community deserved to have access to quality health care. Tepeyac opened its doors in 1995 at the corner of 36 and Calumet. From there, we moved to the Gloveville neighborhood at 51st and Lincoln, and new clinic at the cross streets of Vine and 48th. In our Gloveville facility, we had the capacity to see about 5,000 patients each year, and that translates to roughly about 17,000 patient visits. In this building, we'll be able to eventually triple the number. When we sat down and started with the architect for this building, for me it was just thinking back to that little house and the porch, and when people coming in and just feeling very comfortable and very, very much at peace. This main area that people first experienced to feel like their living room. So this is our X-ray area. It's a completely new service that we offer here at Tepeyac. That normally in the past we would have to refer someone to a hospital or to a specialty center. Ultrasound room, we have a very robust prenatal program here at Tepeyac, but also for just general diagnostic purposes. 3 times the size of our lab at our previous clinic, and so this is where we do blood draws and any kind of blood work that our patients need. The pharmacy. This pharmacy will have the capacity to accommodate 2 pharmacists and at least 3 pharmacy techs. So this is a completely new service for Tepeyac. So this is what we refer to as our dental operatory. So this operatory is probably twice the size of the one operatory we had in our other location. For the largely immigrant population that we serve, who have experienced a tremendous amount of trauma, to be able to offer mental health services is just something that we know is what our community needs. We've normalized it, so it's just it's not anything to be ashamed about. It's something that we can all benefit from. Yeah, this is my favorite place. So this is for the little ones. When I talk to our providers, they just talk about the unimaginable trauma that many of these children have experienced, and I think being able to offer that, it feels really good. Yeah, I think this has been a community, a neighborhood, residents that have been, there's been a tremendous amount of neglect. There was this sense of promises that were made that weren't kept. We had the I-70 expansion. It was very, very divisive. Unfortunately, there was also the legacy of the environmental degradation that happened here in these neighborhoods. As a health organization, the fact that we've chosen to stay here and to provide the services that we're offering to this community and to hopefully be a source of comfort. We feel like just the building itself really stands out here in the Gloveville, Elyria, Swansea neighborhood. It is a source of pride and will continue to be a source of pride.